Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best sink installation parts that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Sink Installation Parts. Stainless steel and composite sink manufacturers provide a system for attaching directly to the underside of the GQ countertop. The system includes 6 to 8 bolts, clips, and wing nuts. The bolts are inserted into grooves that the fabricator drills or cuts into the back of the counter, spaced evenly around the flange of the sink. Number 5. Homemade Complete Sink Repair Kit System. Insert the adjustable rod bracket into the flange of the sink. Secondly, turn the shaft of the turnbuckle until the sink rises and comes into contact with the table. Main features: sturdy heavy-duty steel, easy to assemble, effective protection. Number 4. Dayton GOG 2816 SS Stainless Steel Bottom Grid. From color-matched drains to custom-sized stainless steel sink grids and wood-cutting boards, we have what you need. Our accessories make the time at your kitchen. Main features: product dimensions, corrosion-resistant, protects sink bottom. Number 3. Frank Evolution Universal Double Bowl Sink Protection Grid. Protect the bottom of your sink and add functionality to your kitchen workspace with Frank's sleek stainless steel kitchen sink grid, multi-functional. Main features: reduces sink scratches, multi-functional, quality and durability. Number 2. Viga Stainless Steel Bottom Grid. Maintain the beauty of your kitchen sink basin. This grid is designed to conveniently fit into the bottom of a compatible sized. Main features: comes with vinyl feet and protective bumpers. Chrome-plated stainless steel construction. Protects sink from scratches. Number 1. On 2 pieces kitchen faucet hole cover sink tap hole cover. Our sink faucet hole cover is made of durable stainless steel and plastic. You needn't to worry about rusting and tarnishing. Main features: quick and easy installation. It covers the spray hole. Practical and simply beautiful. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.